Welcome to Lakeshore RV Center. It's here, the 2024 Montana High Country 381 TB. This is 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, loft sleeping, and it cannot wait to start making memories with you. If you want to learn more or see more, give me a call, April Welch at 231-788-2040, or see all the other options we have available at lakeshore-rv.com. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful new Montana High Country. Look at this thing, it's amazing. We're gonna have 4 slide outs on 42.5 feet roughly of this gorgeous new fifth wheel. Auto leveling, dual ACs, but let's look at this. Residential fridge, 12 volts are available. Huge Freon stove and oven, and storage galore. We've got room for the kids, the grandkids. Stepping in back, here's one of our bedrooms. Queen bedroom, step down, making more room for the loft than pretty much everybody out there. You're gonna have storage underneath and access to this full-size rear bath with outside entry. So if you're traveling down the road, gotta run in real quick, we've got you covered on Montana High Country. Let's go up front and take a look at more. King bedroom is what is waiting for you up front. Huge front wardrobe, closet, washer, dryer, prep, and your own digital thermostat for the AC up here. And of course, you have your own bathroom. Grown-ups fit in here too. And of course, porcelain foot flush toilets on our Montana series. If you're ready to call this luxury Montana High Country yours, give me a call, April Welch at Lakeshore RV, 231-788-2040. I can't wait to show you more.